Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can actually enchant using books. So guys, for the sake of this video, I'm using the Minecraft 1.18, and if you have any other versions, you will be still it will be still working for you. And so please make sure to watch all the video from the beginning until the end so you don't miss anything. And let's get ahead and start our tutorial. Please make sure to click on single player and open your single player word, and then let's open any word you have. For me, I'm using this this super flat word and creative mode just for the sake of the tutorial. It will be still working for you on the survivor mode. So let's get the day on. Okay, let's like so. Now we need some books so we can make enchanting table. We can make it like that, just like that, and that like that. Now we need an enchantment table, so enchanting table, and we can put it in here. Just make sure that we have level 13. We can make something like so, and we can just make it even bigger, like that, like that, like that, like that, and like that. You don't really even need to do something like that, but just for the decorations purposes. Now we need anvil. Let's grab an anvil and put it in here, and then let's grab a book, a normal one, and then we can come in here. We need some lapis, and we need some XP, so XP bottles, just like so. We can now go to game mode. We need to open the LAN, allow sheets, and then here game mode, survival, just like so, and here we go. Now we can add some XPs just to get level 13. Let's make it fast, and this will work at any level, so we don't need really level 13 for your for this, but let's see what enchanting will get at level 60. Let's see if I'm lucky enough. So now after I got it, let's click on the book and see what. Oh, I have a really terrible enchantment, but it is what it is. Now let's get this one, smite IV. Okay, so now how you can actually add it to your tools. Basically, let's grab a tool from game mode, creative, and let's grab a sword. Because we got smite, we will need a sword. So now you will need an anvil to merge them together, and just by doing like something like that, you will get your enchanted that is in the book in your sword. It can be costing a lot of XP. To reduce it, you can swap between them, and sometimes it will work, sometimes it will not, but yeah, so something like that will work for us. And here you go, here is your enchanted sword using only books without even enchanting it directly through the enchantment table. So that was it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.